Here are some 5 funny facts about cats. 1. Cats think they own you. To them, you live in their house. You're just the one paying the bills. 2. The 3 a.m. zoomies are real. Cats love to sprint around the house like they're in the Olympics, usually when you're trying to sleep. 3. They knock things off for fun. If it's on a table, it's going on the floor. No reason, just because they can. 4. They hunt your toes. Moving your feet under a blanket? To your cat, that's a threat that needs to be attacked immediately. 5. They judge you constantly. That blank stare? Yep, they're silently questioning your life choices.